Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. My name is Brajesh Kumar और मुझे 18 years हो गए हैं in the 3D animation VFX industry, and I teach Maya modeling in a simple and practical way. This video is part of my Maya modeling series, where we cover basic tools step by step. So make sure you check the full playlist. I've already uploaded a few videos for Maya modelings and basic tools like bevel, extrude, and other things. But in this video today, we are learning the Target Weld tool. It's super important tools. It's very useful. So sometimes it's very difficult to merge two vertices together. So I would highly recommend to stay with the whole video, and let's get started. So let's create one basic cube, and let's say I'm adding few segments. So this is the segments. So how you can, there's a different way you can use to merge the vertices or to merge the edge. So let's start with the Target Weld tool. So let's shift and right click Target Weld tool. So hold the shift key, right click on the object, Target Weld. If you can click on this option box, it will open with few settings. So let's go with the reset settings and click. You can find the same tool under the modeling toolkit. So if you can see the modeling toolkit here, okay, now you can see Target Weld is now enabled. So what does it do? So if you can see Target Weld tool, now if you can click on any of the vertices, if you can see the color is red. So now if you can click and drag, you can drag here, or you can drag here, or you can directly drag here, it will merge. Okay, so let's say I'm dragging here, dragging here, dragging here. So now it's like it's merging these two vertices. So now if you can select this vertex, if you can move, see, it's just a single vertex now. Okay, because it's welding together. So let's say I'm clicking here again, and so if you can come down, and if you can see, we have the two options that is called vertex and center. So first option, so if you can click, it will simply merge these two vertices and make it single. But if you click on the center, so if you click here and this point, if you can see this little green circle, it means it will merge to the center of this point. So suppose this is the edge, this is the line. So what is the center of this line? Could be somewhere here. Okay, so the moment if you click merge on one between these two vertices, it will merge from this point. See? So yeah, this is because of this center settings. So this is very straightforward. Okay, so let's say for target, it will move this vertex to this on this point. If you can move this vertex, it will merge on that. So if you click on the center, now if you can see the difference. So at Target Weld, it will move the vertex on this one. Sorry, on the center, it will merge the vertex, the center of this edge. But if you target it, it will on top of that. So now you can see this is how you can use Target Weld. But you know what, you can use Target Weld on edge as well. So if you could select the edge, and just click on the Target Weld, now I can use the same tool, but not on the vertex but on the edge. So if you can see, it will merge the vertex for the edge, same with the center. So if you can click here, see, it will merge the vertex. Okay, so you can see it will merge the vertex, sorry, edge. So this Target Weld operation or tool you can use on the vertex and as well as on the edge too. Okay, there is one more thing that we usually use to merging the vertex, is if you can shift right click, if you can select the vertex, shift right click the merge vertex, and we have three different options. So Target Weld that we already covered, the first two option is called merge vertex to center or merge vertex. So let's say, what is merge vertex center do? It will do the same operation. So it's, I mean, for that you need to select these two vertex, merge to center. Now if you can see, it will merge to the center of this line. So just imagine if you're selecting these two, what is the center of this line? This point. So if you can see, it will merge on the center. Okay, but what's this merge vertex? If you can click option box, it comes with some settings called threshold. So what is threshold? So sometimes, let's say I'm creating some insert edge loop tool and I'll make it very close, very close. Okay, and now if you want to merge this one, so I mean, using like Target Weld, it's very messy. I mean, like, it'll take a lot of time to merge all these points, you know. So what it will do, I mean, merge vertex option, I mean, if you can go to here, sorry, if you on the vertex mode, if you can merge vertex, what it will do, it will give you an options. So so suppose threshold is 0.01, it means like the distance between these two vertex. So let's say I'm putting 0.01001, okay, and I'm selecting all the vertices and click apply. See, it will not do nothing. But if I just slightly increasing the value, if I click apply, now see, it will only merge with the very closest point. It will not going to merge the any other vertex. So that's the beauty of this merge vertex tool. Okay, so how we do this? Simply uh, select the vertex. I mean, just select all the vertices. You don't need to worry about the other vertices. We're not going to merge. Okay, so simply right click, merge vertex, option box, and here you can change the value. So just imagine if you just put 1, merge. Just a second, click on apply. Yeah, I mean, just click here, 0.01, click apply. Yeah, this is how it will work. Okay, so make sure you need to select you can use, please use all this vertex. I mean, like, target weld is also very important, and what do you say, merge center is also important, merge vertex is also important, target weld is also important. So yeah, I mean, I like highly recommend to please check out my other playlist, where I've already shared the few other videos related to the other modeling tools. So yeah, I mean, just go and check it out, and please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated.